What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. This is going to be an unboxing of the Yi 1080p action camera. I had to order this thing through the AliExpress official seller, the Yi official store. This was ordered back on September 6th and it arrived on September 21st. So shipping from China was actually pretty quick. I went ahead and ordered this thing because they were having a flash sale on AliExpress and I could not say no to it. So let's go ahead and tear into it and see what we got. So here's the box itself, coming from Yi themselves, and this one is the Yi action camera Bluetooth selfie stick kit. The regular kits had sold out whenever the flash sale was going on AliExpress, so I went ahead and paid a couple extra bucks and got the selfie stick kit that came with it. Let's go ahead and slide the cover off, see what we got inside. So there is the official Yi logo, plain box. So inside we have the actual Yi camera, there is a little Bluetooth remote, and then it also comes with the selfie stick. Feels actually pretty sturdy. It's got a little clip so you can keep it in your pocket on the side, and then it looks like a full rotating head on the top, so you can put it in any angle you want. Here is the little remote itself. Looks like it gives you the options to choose between photo mode and video mode. And then the large button on the front. And then here is the camera itself. Feels pretty sturdy, tiny little unit. It's pretty lightweight. It's got the Wi-Fi button on the side. Here's the back of the unit. There is a button on the top here, as well as a button on the front of the camera. And then on the bottom is the threaded port for your tripod. So under this flap, the little cover comes right off, and it looks like we do have a small HDMI port. There is a USB port so you can attach to the computer, as well as a slot to put in your micro SD card. And then on this side we do have the cover for the battery compartment. There's the battery inside. It does come with a little tab so you can pull the battery straight out of the unit. There you can see the battery itself, and then all the information for the camera inside. So inside the box, we also have under here, looks like this is the USB cable to charge the unit connected to your computer. And then down below we have some documentation from Yi. Looks like we have an instruction manual, a couple product information cards regarding other things they offer, as well as a little thank you card for choosing them. Compared to other action cameras on the market, this unit does feel very sturdy. I've been looking at some side-by-side comparisons with this unit versus some of the GoPro series, and for the price, you just can't beat this thing. I will include a link in the description so you guys can take a look at the seller on the AliExpress website, but feel free to go ahead and like, comment, let me know if you guys want to see anything done with this, or if you guys have anything else you'd like to see from me.